Hi guys, it's Rat643, and as you guys know, I've been following the thread on how to modify lifters. We've had a time trying to get these lifters oil, so we decided to modify 3 lifters and prime the remaining ones that are in the engine on one side and see what we come up with. The engine's stone cold, and it now has 10W30 motor oil in it and a new filter. So before we start it, I'll show you which lifters we've modified. Alright, the 3 lifters. This lifter has been modified. The plunger is the same, and the disc has been modified. It has the 2 holes in the side. This lifter, the disc is unmodified, and the plunger has been angled at the bottom to hopefully allow the disc to open up and squirt a little bit more oil. These lifters here have not been tampered with. All they've been is pulled, cleaned, and then reinstalled. And this lifter has been modified. The plunger has had the convex part ground down flush, and the disc is not modified. So the other side I haven't messed with yet. I just want to see what one side does. So let's give it a shot and let's see what we got. Okay, we got oil pressure.